Are you wondering if we can actually install more apps on this Redmi Watch 5 Active? Okay, so when we actually go to the phone app, basically open the apps, well, we only have these stock apps that actually come with this watch, and unfortunately we can't really install additional apps on this watch, which is kind of ridiculous because, for example, even similar priced like for example these like Huawei watches are able to install some apps, so they do not have much apps, but at least still you can install something. So basically on this you only get these options. So for music you can only like control music, so it doesn't really have any like internal music app. So, and also you can't store music in this watch, so really you are really stuck with only with basically what it arrives basically. So yeah, sorry for the bad news. Anyway, good luck.